Hey there crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be giving you the update on Hytopia. As you remember in our latest video on it, we talked about them releasing their mainnet, and in this video we're going to be talking about them releasing their testnet and how we can potentially be able to get the Topia token airdrop. We definitely don't want to miss out on this. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to be talking about is their tweet on my screen. It says, announcing Hytopia's 3 million fundraise led by Adelphi Digital, Delphi Ventures, and joined by other phenomenal VCs and angels. This marks a major milestone as we secure institutional support to deliver on Hytopia's vision. 3 million has been raised and invested into the Hytopia project by Delphi Ventures and other angel investors. This means people believe in the project, they're investing in it, and how are we also going to be able to make sure we also earn from it? Well, they have brought out their testnet, and now the beta waitlist is still on for so that you can claim your loot box and pre-register for once the game comes out. The link is going to be in the description box. It is not only for the game, the loot box is going to be a reward in the future, and you don't want to miss that. Now, once you click the link, if you want to understand the process, the link to the video where you can be able to learn about this is going to be in the description box also. Now, they have said that the Hytopia mainnet is live. It is their L2 chain, and that's all where all Hytopia systems will operate on. They give it in this thread. The documentation is here, everything is here, how to run a node. Now, the testnet Faucet and the testnet block explorer. And just to clarify, Hytopia is bringing out their own blockchain. So how are we going to be able to make sure that we participate in this airdrop if anything comes out of it? We are going to be doing the faucets, you can do it, and also bridge the token. Now what do you do? You have to go to your MetaMask. And then you make sure that, of course, you know that you're on a wallet that you don't use for putting your money in and all that. Now you type faucet.topia.com. Once you click there, it loads this page where you see Hytopia Testnet Faucet. Now this Faucet sends to Topia on an account address on the Hytopia Testnet. You can use it to pay transaction fees. Now we're not going to go through any process of adding Hytopia Testnet. What you do, you just click add Hytopia Testnet. Once you click there, they're going to ask your permission that you add the network. You click on approve, switch the network, and then you have the Hytopia Testnet. As you can see, very simple. Now what do you do? You have to go to your wallet. So I'm just going to be doing that. Copy your address, simple as that. Paste your address over here. Once you paste it, you click on send request. This is basically testing out before the mainnet launches out. And now you can claim 2 Topia every 24 hours without any authentication. So now we have clicked the button. I'm just checking to see. Okay, wow, we have gotten the Topia tokens. As you can see on my screen, you can see the 2 Topia over here. Now this is just the first step. You just have to be doing this daily. I don't think it is too hard because you don't even need to pay any gas fees yet. Until if you're new, then you would not need to. But as you continue, you need to pay gas fees because this is testing for when the mainnet comes out. Now the second step, you type in bridge.utopia.com and you search for it. Now this is the interface you see. Click on connect wallet, connect your MetaMask, and you connect the account you are on. You switch network to Ethereum. And now basically you click on deposits. Now this is Topia mainnet, Hytopia mainnet, not Hytopia Testnet. So basically you just have to add it to your wallet, click on switch to Hytopia mainnet. It asks you to verify, because I've already done it. It asks you to verify you adding the Hytopia mainnet to the wallet, and once you successfully authenticate it, it is going to be like this. But since we don't have any mainnet tokens, this is basically what you have to do and continue doing the Faucet mining. Very simple, right? Now that is basically all the process on Hytopia and how you can participate in the testnet and probably be able to earn tokens in the future. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's reach our goal of 200 subscribers. Like the video and give us your feedback and questions in the comment box. And I'll see you in the next one. Till next time.